Hello everyone, nice to see you again. I know you have been waiting for this launch. A very warm welcome to all our fans, media friends and partners, and thanks for joining us today. I hope all of you and your families are keeping safe, and without any delay, let's start making life cooler from this Diwali. I've always been a crazy tech fan from my childhood. We are so lucky to live in an era where technology does change our lives and bring unimaginable convenience. With the spirit of dare to leap and having received tremendous response for all the smart products we have launched, it gives Realme the confidence to aim to be the #1 AIoT brand in India. So how are we going to make our way to the top of the consumer mind? This year, we have clearly established the 1+4+N product strategy, with which Realme has an ambition to empower the young generation with the coolest technology. With today's theme of Leap to Next Gen, we will be launching the Realme 7i and the Realme 7 Pro Special Edition, world's first SLED 55-inch 4K TV, 2 active noise cancellation earphones, and many more smart gadgets and accessories. So let me explain first the 1+4+N strategy in details. One refers to the core product, the smartphone. Recently, we launched our Realme 7 series and Narzo 20 series, all of which are well received. Realme 7 surprised the market and sold more than 180,000 units in just 9 minutes during its first sale, a new record on Flipkart after the lockdown. Thanks everyone for your support. All is well known, the debut of 64-megapixel camera was with Realme and has got praise from our consumers as well as from the media friends. The 90Hz display is another trump card, and the Realme is again the first one to popularize the technology in India. Check these exceptional reviews on the 90Hz display. Well, it's time to bring them to the mass. With our dare to leap attitude, today we are bringing the Realme 7i that caters to your demand for both the incredible 64-megapixel camera and exceptional 90Hz display. I'm sure this Diwali, Realme has possibly the best offering for you and your beloved ones in every single price segment. So coming back to our strategy, the 4 signifies our 4 major categories, including smart TVs, earphones, smart watches, and smart speakers, which are the most frequently used devices and can support voice assistant to control over AIoT products. The smartwatch and earphone have almost become daily necessities, while smart TV and speakers are the core smart home devices which are easy to operate for everyone in your family. They are the hubs to bring a more convenient smart home. In May 2020, Realme launched its first TV series, the 32-inch and the 43-inch LED smart TVs. They garnered huge success. We achieved a record-breaking first sale, selling more than 15,000 units in less than 10 minutes. No other brand in the TV category on Flipkart has been able to achieve such numbers. Check these quotes from the media friends again and the comments from our users. Consumers have loved the Realme TV and kept tagging me on Twitter, asking me for a bigger and more immersive viewing experience. And today, we are definitely going to surprise you with the flagship level cinematic TV experience. The huge response of the first attempt at the Realme Buds Wireless in September 2019 gave us the confidence to explore deeper in this category. So according to the recent Counterpoint Hearables report, Q2 2020, Realme has become the #1 brand in the TWS category. As a great thanks to all the Realme fans, today we will be bringing the awesome upgrade to the Buds Wireless and the Buds Air with the ANC technology. Then comes the N. N represents the N type of smart accessories, smart home devices and lifestyle products. Today we will be bringing you many more cool products to join and expand our N category that seamlessly makes people's life cooler. Based on 1+4+N strategy, to take our initial dream a notch further, we plan to launch in total of 50+ products in 2020, followed by more than 100+ products in 2021. To build a wide AIoT product portfolio to cover more areas in our users' daily life. On our way to achieve this, as I have always mentioned, great products have been playing the core role in our strategy. 2 well-known keywords for Realme's product philosophy are the latest technology and the artistic design. Today I want to talk more about the design. Many of the masterpieces from the Realme Design Studio are inspired by the nature. You can clearly sense this from our Realme X, which is Onion and Garlic Special Editions, the Realme X2 Pro's Concrete and Red Brick Special Edition, and the beautiful Realme Buds Q that are inspired by the pebbles. So what are we bringing to you today? This time, we got the inspiration from the sweet sunny orange, which unexpectedly matches with the design of classic elegant leather material, the Realme 7 Pro. So guys, did we blow you away with our revelations? Are you excited? also and want to leap to next gen of lifestyles to live a smart, free, trend-setting and connected life. So without any further delay, let's start from world's first SLED 4K 55-inch TV and bring the cinemas to your home. Today, we bring you the all-new 4K SLED TV debuting first time in India. It will bring cinematic experience at flagship level, and key improvements are focused in 3 sections: design, display and sound. So first, let's talk about the premium design. The Realme 4K SLED TV has a refreshing design in terms of both styling and materials. Its bezels are only 9.5 mm, which is so narrow that it's almost invisible. And thanks to such narrow bezels, the Realme 4K SLED TV has a screen-to-body ratio of up to 95% and also uses an all-metal stand, which is more durable and looks more premium. While talking about the premium, let's talk about the premium display. The Realme Smart TV SLED 4K features a 55-inch cinematic display, which is the first SLED screen in the world. How to define a cinematic display? We can actually look at 2 aspects, the panel and the image tuning. The display panel is 55-inch and comes with a 4K resolution, which means it has a 4 times more pixel than a traditional 1080p TV. In terms of screen size, the display area of a 55-inch TV is 63.6% larger than 43 inches TV, doubling the impact of the picture. And if you consider the resolution and the size together, the PPI or the clarity of a 55-inch 4K TV screen compared to a 43-inch 1080p TV is increased by almost 56%. A larger image and a clearer image. Our SLED 4K TV hence has the ability to show up to 1.07 billion colors. Now comes the SLED screen. You may have heard of QLED or OLED, but will not be familiar with SLED. So to help you understand the principle behind, first let's look at the LED screen. In a single pixel, an ordinary LED screen uses a single white LED backlight. Then the white light goes through the RGB filter, which is red, green and blue, to divide into 3 primary colors. Here the liquid crystal layer controls the intensity and the ratio of red, green and blue light, and so to display different colors in the pixels. The QLED uses a blue LED backlight that shines on a layer of quantum dot film, which excites purer green and red light. The benefit of this solution is a higher color gamut, and if understood simply, it means more colors which can be shown on the screen. The SLED screen we use is based on a white backlight, but is made up of red, green and blue LEDs inside. With a higher purity of the 3 primary colors, it delivers a wider color gamut performance, which is as good as QLED screen. Let's compare it to a regular LED TV with a color gamut of only 70% NTSC. The image on the screen is not vivid and colorful enough. Realme uses SLED display with NTSC color gamut of up to 108%, which is as high as most QLED. So coming to the next aspect, which is tuning. A great screen also needs more in-depth tuning. This time we have invited Realme Art Director Jose Levy and Chief Scientist of SPD Technology John Romans to participate in the Realme 4K SLED TV screen tuning to achieve a better experience in watching movies.
Hi Realme fans, I am John Roymans, Chief Scientist for SPD Technology. It is a great pleasure for me to be here to introduce the latest Realme 55-inch SLED Smart TV to you. It's an honor to cooperate with Realme to develop a smart TV that aims to enhance the viewing experience for the young generation. Realme and our research team jointly developed the advanced SLED technology. We integrated SPD spectral power distribution technology within the TV screens and created SLED. The advanced SLED display technology adopts the innovative backlight technology. The technology empowers SLED to have ultra-wide gamut, which breaks through the traditional restrictions, reaching 108% on the NTSC score. I can say Realme and our team have successfully created a new TV screen with high color gamut, cinematic tone solution and eye care technology. Again, it's our pleasure to cooperate with Realme to bring this phenomenal smart TV to the world. Realme is a technology company that dare to leap. It aims to provide young generation with high quality AIoT products at reasonable prices. Realme has always been committed to integrate advanced technologies into their products to bring better smart home experience. I hope you really enjoy the latest and innovative Realme SLED Smart TV. Thank you.
Compared to normal display tuning, the color of Realme 4K SLED TV is not only accurate but also more ornamental. The brightness is well balanced and the contrast is precisely controlled to simulate the style of the movies. Moreover, we optimize the screen to make every frame fascinating with the Chroma Boost picture engine, especially in the movie scenes, to give you a cinematic visual experience. The Realme 4K SLED TV also offers up to 7 display modes that cover most scenarios, be it games, movies, photos. You will get the best possible display. In terms of eye protection, Realme SLED TV has a clear advantage compared to other forms of display. It is certified by TUV Redland for low blue light eye protection. Beneath the high quality screen, we have integrated a more powerful processor from MediaTek, the world's #1 chipset maker for digital TVs. The processor features a 16 GB storage, making the TV run smoothly and have plenty of storage for files and apps. Realme Smart TV SLED 4K does not stop at the exceptional visual experience only. Audio also plays a huge part. The TV features 4 speakers that are all located on the bottom of the Realme 4K SLED Smart TV. Each set consists of 1 full range speaker and 1 tweeter. The combined power of these 4 speakers is 24 watts, giving you a wholesome audio experience in comparison to other models in this segment. Realme 4K SLED Smart TV also supports the latest Dolby Audio solution. With Dolby Audio, Realme 4K SLED Smart TV can split and play sound in the discrete channels from the front and the rear sides to create a surround sound effect and bring an immersive experience. At the same time, for an even better cinematic effect, we recommend a professional cinematic sound system, the Realme 100 watt soundbar. It is made of metal and skin-like materials for a sleek and premium look. It hosts 60 watts full range speakers and a 40 watt subwoofer that form a 2.1 channel acoustic system. There are 4 speakers which consist of 2 full range speakers and 2 tweeters. Each speaker produces an ultra high 15 watts power output, increasing the TV sound by 200%. It also features a powerful subwoofer, allowing the bass to dive deeper and thicker. The subwoofer's frequency ranges from 50 Hz, 24 kHz. Even lower sounds can be presented in high fidelity, providing you with a stunning and realistic movie experience. The Realme 100 watt soundbar supports a variety of connections. You can connect it with your phone by Bluetooth as well as enjoy an unparalleled concert feeling. And now, finally, the premium experience. Realme 4K SLED Smart TV runs multifunction Android TV OS. You can download more than 5,000 plus apps in the Play Store spanning games, music and movies. You can also use the inbuilt Google Assistant to control the Android TV with your voice customization, the experience upon your preference. Realme 4K SLED Smart TV is compatible with your smartphone as well. With its inbuilt Chromecast, your TV can become an extension of your smartphone. And Realme 4K SLED TV could become your smart hub in your house. With the following OTA, the TV can be used to control smart bulbs, smart plug and smart AV plug. Thanks to its large screen and Google Assistant, you will have a better experience to control the AIoT devices. In the future, more Realme AIoT will be available to access the smart home network. Imagine you can control all your smart devices by Realme TV and you can just be lazy on a comfortable couch. Realme 4K SLED Smart TV supports both 2.4 GHz and 5G Wi-Fi and infrared. Bluetooth 5 with multiple wireless connections. For wired connectivity, it comes with 3 HDMI ports, 2 USB ports and a mainstream port, and even a headphone jack to connect earphones or speakers. It will be able to connect to all your devices like PlayStation and Blu-ray players to fulfill all your entertainment needs. The TV remote is brilliant as before. The grip is especially designed for the palm curve. The remote features 3 dedicated hotkeys to access your favorite video platform with just one click, be it YouTube, Netflix or Prime Video. With a quick button and built-in microphones, Google Assistant can be accessed in a highly convenient way. Last but not the least, the Realme 4K SLED Smart TV has passed a strict quality test, including an extreme cold test, 760mm drop test and a key reliability test. The TV also supports a standard VESA bracket for a wall mount mode, and more importantly this time the TV wall mount is free for everyone. That was all about the new Realme 4K SLED Smart TV, the cinema at your home. Let's look at a short video of the Realme Smart TV SLED 4K.
Realme Smart TV SLED 4K. Bring the cinema home. Realme Dare to Leap.
Here are some highlights 4K cinematic SLED display, premium bezel-less design, powerful 24-watt 4 surround sound speakers, Android TV with smart features. We believe Realme Smart TV will emerge as your best choice if you seek a better TV experience. You will definitely have fun with Realme 4K SLED TV in your home with your family. But while you are alone, you will need a new Realme ANC wireless earphones to enjoy the tranquility. Besides this, we also bring many more interesting products to make your life smarter. Now I would like to invite Sri to take you through all these amazing products. Over to you, Sri.
Thanks, Madhav. Hi, everyone. I'm Sri Hari, Product Manager, Realme India. And let me move on to show you more surprises, and we have a ton of them today. First, let's get ready to welcome the all-new Realme Buds Air Pro and Realme Buds Wireless Pro, which are the first ANC earphones from Realme and the first members of the Pro series. Its launch showcases our dedicated and ambitious vision to make a deeper mark in the premium earphone segment. Let's start with the amazing Buds Air Pro first. With its compact size, the Buds Air Pro makes you experience the marvel of ANC with the beauty of convenience. Talking about design first, the Realme Buds Air Pro inherits the Buds Q cobble aesthetics. With the round shape and flip-top design, the earbuds fit snug in the charging case and are very easy to open with just one hand. The surface has a premium finish, giving a superior light effect and a premium feeling when you hold it in the hand. The Realme Buds Air Pro is equipped with our new customized S1 high-performance noise cancellation chip, which guarantees the most versatile noise cancellation in this segment while consuming very low power. The S1 chip is built on a 28nm advanced process, which means more powerful processing performance and low power consumption. Now let's move on to the highlight of the product, the noise cancellation or active noise cancellation. Noise cancelling can be divided into passive and active noise reduction. Firstly, we adjust the size and the ear tips meticulously over and over to fit the shape of the ear and isolate as much outside noise as possible. As for active noise cancellation, the Buds Air Pro is equipped with 2 microphones for active noise cancellation with a maximum noise reduction of up to 35 decibels. In the earbuds of the Realme Buds Air Pro, there's 1 feed-forward microphone and 1 feedback microphone that can collect ambient noise from outside the ear and also listen to what you are listening and reduce the noise very, very well. After collecting the noise, the drive units generate reverse sound waves to cancel out the noise, thereby achieving the purpose of effective noise cancellation. I'm proud to share that the Realme Buds Air Pro also delivers the same level of noise cancellation, which is at par with some of industry's best ANC headphones and reduces noise as good as the AirPods Pro. As you can see from the graph, the noise cancellation of the Buds Air Pro remains outstanding across all frequencies, especially in the low to mid frequency, such as the noise of the road, the ambient sound of the office, and the sound of the aircraft engine, etc. All can be well filtered, giving you a crystal clear world. The Buds Air Pro also comes with transparency mode, which enables users to listen to the ambient sound in one click. Since the in-ear design brings physical noise cancellation, the transparency mode makes it easy to talk to others without taking off your headphones even once. The Buds Air Pro's noise cancellation is also applied in the calling. 2 voice talk microphones and environmental noise cancellation algorithms help remove ambient noise as much as possible while collecting your voice so that you are clearly heard by the others. As you know, the Buds Air Pro is one of our flagship headset products and adheres to supreme sound quality without any compromise. In the small body of the earbuds, we have put a high fidelity 10mm driver, the size being quite large for TWS earphones considering the highly limited space of the earbuds. Keeping true to our promise of bringing the best audio experience without any compromise, we are committed to bringing the best-in-class ANC effect as well as sound quality. According to the feedback of previous Realme earphones, users really loved the outstanding bass effect, and in Buds Air Pro, we apply Bass Boost Plus mode in the app to greatly push bass to a higher level to make you immerse into the amazing music. The Buds Air Pro supports Bluetooth 5 connectivity, and each bud is actually connected independently to the phone, so we do not use master-slave, we use master-master connectivity protocol. Hence, we achieve a faster and stable music data transfer. Gaming mode is coming to the Buds Air Pro as well. But this time, we've pushed this low latency experience to a higher level. In game mode, the latency is now as low as 94 milliseconds. It has improved by a remarkable 21% as compared to an already great 119 milliseconds that we had with our other products. With the Buds Air Pro, you can enjoy a more responsive audio experience, especially in gaming as well. The Buds Air Pro is equipped with a much larger battery compared to the Buds Air. Turn on the noise cancellation and you can enjoy up to 5 hours of battery life with ANC on, which means that you can actually watch up to 3 movies on a single charge without a worry. The charging case also contains a large battery which can provide a total of 20 hours of battery life for the earbuds with noise cancellation on. The Buds Air Pro also gets charged very quickly. The Buds Air Pro carries forward all the convenient and much appreciated features of its predecessors. It supports Google Fast Pair, which will show up when you open the charging case for the first time to automatically connect to your device. It uses optical sensors to detect if it's being used. As a result, it will automatically pause or play the music when you put it in your ear or you remove them. With the intelligent touch sensitivity of the Realme Buds Air Pro, users can enjoy versatile functionalities such as answering or ending calls, switching music, activating the gaming mode, turning on or off the noise cancellation mode or the transparency mode, and of course activate the voice assistant. The total weight of the Buds Air Pro is only 48.8 grams, making it extremely lightweight and comfortable. It also supports IPX4 water resistance for the ones who want to work out with it. The Realme Buds Air Pro also supports connection to the Realme Link app, where you can configure the noise reduction mode and button functions, as well as update the firmware. Now let's have a short video of the Realme Buds Air Pro.
If you have a dream and decide you go for it, you have to make your way through all these distracting judgments and doubts.
Noise cancelling.
All you have to do is to tune out the noise. Just listen to myself. There is always one true inner voice. Trust it. Feel it. Dare for it. Realme Buds Air Pro. Tune out the noise. Realme. Dare to leap.
Well, I hope you are excited about the latest member from India's #1 TWS brand. The Realme Buds Air Pro creates a new niche with ANC headphones. The leading 35 decibel active noise cancellation effect, 10 mm dynamic bass boost drivers, 25 hours long battery life with ANC off, and an ultra light and compact body. The Realme Buds Air Pro with all these features should undoubtedly be your first and foremost choice for ANC TWS. Now let's continue. Some of our Realme fans really love the Buds Wireless for its design that gives a classic, energetic and sporty feeling. So apart from the Buds Air Pro, today we also bring the ANC version of Buds Wireless, the Buds Wireless Pro. Let's take a look at the design. We have introduced the classic color combination of black, yellow and the bold blue-green for the Buds Wireless Pro. The timeless and trendy appeal of these colors make the earbuds a truly trend-setting gadget to show off your personality. The Realme Buds Wireless Pro is also equipped with Realme's deeply customized S1 high-performance noise cancellation chip, which guarantees some of the most versatile noise cancellation effect while consuming low power. The Realme Buds Wireless Pro has dual mic active noise cancellation with a maximum noise reduction of up to 35 decibels, the same high level as the Buds Air Pro. It applies the same noise cancellation technology as the Buds Air Pro that can deliver the same level of noise cancellation as industry's best ANC headphones. As you can see from the graph here as well, the noise cancellation of the Buds Air Pro is outstanding at all frequencies. To be honest, I would really love all our users to test out ANC headphones because it just feels great to know that you're listening to really crisp audio. Before you turn on ANC with Buds Wireless Pro, it's like you're on a crowded street, and as soon as you turn it on, you'll feel like you're back in a quiet, serene room. Of course, the Realme Buds Wireless Pro comes also with transparency mode. The noise cancellation technology is also applied in the calling feature. The voice talk microphone and ENC ambient noise cancellation algorithms can remove as much ambient noise as possible while collecting your voice very clearly so that the others can hear you very well. The Realme Buds Wireless Pro is our flagship headset product and offers supreme quality without any compromise. In the small body of the earbuds, we have used large 13.6 mm dynamic bass boost drivers. It is one of the largest units in similar products. And we have another new and exciting upgrade on the sound quality. I'm happy to tell you that the Realme Buds Wireless Pro supports 990 kbps LDAC high quality Bluetooth audio transmission and is also Hi-Res certified. With 990 kbps at hand, more data can be transferred to reproduce higher quality audio. With the ordinary SBC codec, you can hear that the sound quality is really not that high. In comparison, LDAC gives you really high fidelity audio and gives you a premium sound experience. The Realme Buds Wireless Pro also supports gaming mode with 119 millisecond super low latency, which is a new feature in the wireless neckband category. So you can enjoy complete synchronization of audio and picture when playing games. The Realme Buds Wireless Pro is equipped with a large 160 mAh battery. Even with the noise cancellation on, you can enjoy up to 16 hours of battery life. That is all day long. With 1.5 hours full charging, you add another 16 hours. That's basically non-stop battery. The magnetic instant connection is there as well. Separating the buds will automatically switch the power on and connect to the devices, while clipping them together will disconnect and save the battery life when you're not using them. Also, the Buds Wireless Pro can connect two devices at the same time and switch between them in one click. This is one feature that so many people have been asking us, and I'm glad that we were able to finally bring it. It's super convenient, so if you always work with a laptop and a smartphone, you literally can quickly switch between these devices. Besides, you can use the multifunction button to freely control your Realme Buds Wireless Pro. I frankly feel that while there are some really good earphones out there, ergonomics is generally overlooked when it comes to neck bands. This is where we have also made sure that the design is very good. The Realme Buds Wireless Pro solves this issue with an aluminum shell, titanium memory structure and silicone surface combination. Weighing just 33 grams, it is extremely lightweight. It also supports IPX4 water resistance and can easily pull through a good workout session. Now let's have a short video.
Realme Buds Wireless Pro. Noise off. Music on. Realme Buds Wireless Pro. Noise off, music on. Realme, dare to leap.
Well, the Realme Buds Wireless Pro ANC headphone features industry top 35 decibel active noise cancellation feature, 13.6 mm large dynamic bass boost drivers, LDAC codec with Hi-Res certifications and low latency transmission, long-lasting battery life in only a small, light, ultra-weight 33-gram body. To top it all, the Realme Buds Wireless Pro is super trendy, supremely useful and highly durable. So now we are done with the audio products. I feel like changing the setting a little. Let's do that. So what's next? I feel more than happy to introduce to you one of my favorite products today that helped make my home smart. The first one is the Realme SmartCam 360. Well, I have a lot of friends who have a dog or a cat and a lot of pets, and they sometimes want to know what's happening at home. The Realme SmartCam 360 can surely help. I've also put one Realme SmartCam at my parents' home so I can always check how they're doing when I'm missing them. Now let's take a deeper look. This is Realme's first product in home security, built to help you keep an eye on what matters most, and is equipped with 1080p Full HD recording. The camera also supports a wide dynamic range and 3D noise cancellation algorithm to improve image quality. The Realme Smart Cam 360 also has a mechanical gimbal that can achieve 360-degree omnidirectional rotation, eliminating potential blind spots, and built-in edge distortion correction that captures your living space fully. When the sun goes down, the Realme Smart Cam 360 automatically switches to an IR night vision mode, ensuring visibility and security 24 hours a day. You can't always be on hand watching the live feed throughout the day or at night, right? That's why the Realme Smart Cam 360 degrees supports AI motion detection, providing real-time alerts for any out-of-the-ordinary activity to ensure complete safety of your home and your family. It also supports two-way voice talk to enable remote calls. Well, one thing that we understand when it comes to a smart cam is that privacy is critical, which is why we have added a few key features to the Realme Smart Cam 360, and this one is really unique and very innovative. The lens of the Realme Smart Cam 360 can be completely covered when it's turned off, virtually eliminating unwanted third parties viewing your home when you are around and you don't want anyone to. The Realme Smart Cam 360 also supports up to 128 GB micro SD card, and the recorded video can be stored locally on the device and securely accessed via the Realme Link app. Additionally, AES and TLS 1.2 encryption algorithms are used for both on-device and transmission process. That is the fantastic Realme Smart Cam 360. It'll be good safeguard for your loving home and keeps you posted for what's happening in your home. And I believe that you will enjoy it a lot. Well, let's talk about the next smart home gadget. As you've seen, we at Realme have been bringing more and more smart, versatile AIoT products that support remote control and help you live a connected lifestyle. But as you know, it's difficult to cover all electronic categories at once, which is why we bring the all-new Realme Smart Plug, which makes instantly any non-smart electronic gadget smart and connects many gadgets and electronic devices to your smart home network effortlessly. The Realme Smart Plug supports Wi-Fi connectivity and can be controlled by the Realme Link app as well. It can also be controlled by voice using Google Assistant or Amazon Alexa. Most importantly, we at Realme also take electrical safety very seriously. The Realme Smart Plug is made by 750 degrees Celsius V0 flame retardant materials and supports over temperature protection. It is compatible with 90 to 260 volts wide voltage range, so you can use it almost anywhere in the world. The safety shutter and 2000 volt anti-thunder surge protector are built in to prevent any electric danger. Just plug it in and enjoy the benefits of a smart, free, connected lifestyle. Now let's move on to the next surprise. The Realme N1 electric toothbrush. It has a powerful sonic motor which can vibrate up to 20,000 times per minute. The size is compact enough to be held efficiently and ergonomically. The noise is not disturbing at all, which significantly improves the user experience. The Realme N1 electric toothbrush uses the DuPont 99.99% antibacterial bristles, effectively preventing a series of oral problems caused by bacteria. In fact, a very cool feature is that some of these bristles are blue in color, and as you keep brushing day by day, that blue will slowly fade to white, letting you know that it's time to change that bristle. Really cool, right? The N1 electric toothbrush can be charged via the Type-C port. It can also last up to 130 days with just one charge. The N1 electric toothbrush has 3 cleaning modes: soft mode, clean mode, and polish mode. And the toothbrush is also IPX7 water resistant and is built out of skin-friendly materials. That's all about the Realme N1 Sonic electric toothbrush, your tooth guard, and also an ideal Diwali gift. Now let's talk about the all-new Realme Selfie Tripod. It only weighs 162.5 grams, which means it's actually lighter than a lot of smartphones, with the length being just like that of a smartphone. In the extended mode, the selfie stick can extend up to 60 centimeters, giving you an extra distance and more room to capture wide-range selfies. The phone mount supports 360-degree rotation, so you can easily adjust the shooting angle as per your preference. The bottom of the stick can be opened to use as a tripod to firmly support your smartphone. The rubber cushioning also effectively reduces the shake for long exposure photo and stable videos. It is compatible with the latest Bluetooth 5.1 technology to pair with your smartphone and supports up to 10-meter remote control range. More importantly, the remote button that's actually on the stick is detachable, so you can hold it in your hand and remotely press the shutter button. A wonderful picture is just one simple click away. That's all on our Realme selfie tripod. It is extremely functional and cool as well. Now let's talk about power. And this next product is actually something that a lot of people have been asking us to bring for a long time. So let me introduce to you the all-new 20,000 mAh power bank for the very first time. With the super large capacity lithium polymer battery cells, it can charge Realme Buds Air Pro for 28 times. This time, we have added one more USB-A port, which means that you can charge 3 devices with maximum 18 watts of power. At the same time, all 3 ports support 18-watt quick charge. It comes equipped with a 2-in-1 charge cable in the box that supports micro USB and Type-C. Adding an extra layer of safety, 14 layers of circuit protection have been applied in the 20,000 mAh power bank to ensure a safe and secure charging experience. Well, that's the end of our making lives cooler products. You must be excited enough, and I know that you're wondering about the price. Now, I would like to invite Madhav at this point back to the stage to reveal the prices. Over to you, Madhav.
Thanks, Sri, for taking us through all the exciting smart products. Before I unveil all the prices, let me quickly take you through one of your best options as a Diwali gift, Realme 7i, the first smartphone in its price range to flaunt a 64-megapixel quad camera. Let's start with the designs first. Realme 7i, using the same mirror design, an iconic splitting line is present in a diagonal direction, dividing the phone into 2 parts. The 2 parts of the split use a completely different surface treatment process, high light reflection on the top and matte texture on the bottom, forming an acutely sharp contrast. The Realme 7i comes in 2 light and dark colors, Fusion Green and Fusion Blue. The Realme 7i is bringing 64-megapixel camera to a never-before price for the Indian market. Like how we popularized the quad camera in 2019, we are doing the same for the 64-megapixel in 2020. On the hardware front, the Realme 7i sports a 64-megapixel primary camera, 8-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens, black and white lens and a macro lens. Some sample pictures here for your reference. The primary 64-megapixel camera features an aperture of 1.8, providing a great ability of light sensing. The 80-degree FOV and a 25mm focal length are wide enough for users to shoot daily snapshots with utmost ease. The camera is a 6P lens and has a half-inch sensor, ensuring vivid image quality. The PDAF focus can help users to focus on objects instantly. The 7i supports nightscape mode also. As you can see from the sample, the nighttime photos are Realme's advantages. Like 7 and 7 Pro, 7i also supports 3 iconic night filters. I really recommend you to have a try, as this artistic night styles will leave you truly impressed. The Realme 7i also features a wide-angle camera with a 8-megapixel and a 119-degree ultra-wide-angle field. As for the video recording, there are 2 other features that I want to introduce to you. The first in UIS Max, which allows the ultra-wide-angle lens to record video. At the same time, it supports super stabilization, keeping the image stable while capturing a wider view. The other cool feature is the new cinema mode. Movies generally have a wider aspect ratios than the regular videos for a stronger visual impact. The Realme 7i is enabled with a 21:9 aspect ratio video shooting, and when you continue it with a certain shooting scenes, the result is a video with a cinematic effect. I recommend you to try shooting some of the cinematic vlogs with the new Realme 7i. On the front, the 16-megapixel selfie camera uses the widely praised Sony IMX471 sensor with AI beautification, nightscape, HDR mode and portrait mode. Then comes the display. For the first time in this price range, the Realme 7i sports a 90Hz ultra smooth 6.5-inch display. With the Realme 6 and Realme 7 series, 90Hz has become a standard technology. The brilliant display and the flagship 64-megapixel camera are followed by the massive 5000 mAh battery and 18-watt fast charging, which can last up to 34 days in a standby mode. To ensure a strong performance, we have adopted a new processor from Qualcomm, the Snapdragon 662. With the high frequency and octa-core structure, you can enjoy a power-packed and super smooth experience for your daily usage and games. So let's have a recap with a small video of Realme 7i.
Realme 7i. Capture sharper, play smoother. Realme smartphone. Dare to leap.
To wrap up the new member of our number series family, the Realme 7i is equipped with the first 64 megapixel quad camera in the segment, 90 Hz ultra smooth display, 5000 mAh mega battery, 18 watts quick charge, and many other exciting features. How should we price it for your best Diwali gift? Let's wait for a little more time. I'll reveal it later. Then finally, let me show you the creative special edition of the Realme 7 Pro, the sun-kissed leather. For the first time, Realme has used an eco-friendly vegan micrograin leather for its designs. Inspired by the gorgeous sunrise from the horizon, mirror designs in the Realme 7 series is expressed in a new way, which helps to create a trendy visual effect and a high-end touch feeling for the users. The vegan micrograin leather used in the Realme 7 Pro is 0.4 mm, ensuring a thin and light body while attaining a new designs from the raw leather to the final product. The Realme 7 Pro undergoes 14 meticulous manufacturing processes, including cutting, stitching, cold pressing, and hot pressing. Unlike common back cover materials such as glass or plastic, the edge of leather needs to be deburred, painted, and stitched just like any other leatherware. At the same time, the iconic Realme logo is no longer printed on the back cover of the smartphone. Now the logo is molded separately, electroplated, and a CNC cut is done for a highlighted metallic effect, which blends seamlessly into the surface of the leather. As a tech trendsetter brand, it's our pleasure to bring the new design inspiration to the whole smartphone industry. Hope you all like it. So, what should be the price of this special edition? The price of the special edition will be exactly the same at Rs 19,999 for 6GB 128GB and 21,999 for 8GB 128GB. The first sale for the Realme 7 Pro Sun-Kissed Leather Special Edition will be on 16th of October starting at midnight 12. It will be available on Flipkart, Realme.com, and it will be available in the stores nearby you. Now comes the most awaited part. Let's unveil the prices of all the products. First, let's unveil the price of the best value 64 megapixel camera phone, the Realme 7i, which will come in two variants, 4GB 64GB and 4GB 128GB. The Realme 7i 4GB 64GB is priced at Rs 11,999 only. The Realme 7i 4GB 128GB is priced at Rs 12,999 only. The first sale for the Realme 7i will be on 16th of October starting again from midnight. It will be available on Flipkart and Realme.com, and it will be available in the stores nearby you. Then comes to the most affordable electric toothbrush, Realme N1, and it will be priced at Rs 799 only. The first sale for the Realme N1 toothbrush will be on 16th of October starting from midnight. It will be available on Realme.com, Flipkart, and soon it will be available in the stores nearby you. So, the next comes the Realme Smart Camera. The Realme Smart Camera is priced at Rs 2,999. The Realme Plug is priced at Rs 799. The first sale of Realme Plug will be on 16th of October at 12 midnight and available on Realme.com, Flipkart, and soon it will be available in the stores nearby you. Then the next comes is the Realme Selfie Tripod, which would be priced at Rs 1199. And the first sale will be from 13th 12 noon on Realme.com, Amazon, and soon it will be available in the stores nearby you. The Realme 20,000 mAh power bank, which will be priced at Rs 1599. And the first sale will be from 16th 12 midnight on Realme.com, Flipkart, and soon it will be available in the stores nearby you. If you are afraid to miss any of the first sale, visit Realme.com and click notify me to get posted. Then let's unveil the ANC brothers. The best ANC neckband, Realme Buds Wireless Pro, will be priced at Rs 3,999. Exciting, isn't it? The best ANC TWS earphones for Android, Realme Buds Air Pro, will be priced at Rs 4,999. Finally, let's unveil the biggest superstar today, the 55-inch Realme Smart TV SLED 4K featuring the world's first SLED 4K display, 24-watt quad stereo speakers with Dolby Audio, premium bezel-less design, brilliant remote with convenient hotkeys, and many awesome features that can bring you an flagship cinematic view experience. How much does it take to bring the cinema to your home? Well, the Realme Smart TV SLED 4K 55-inch is priced at Rs 42,999 only. To have a more immersive home theater audio system, you can also pick up the Realme soundbar at Rs 6,999 from 16th of October 12 midnight on Realme.com, other e-commerce partners, and soon in the offline stores nearby you. That's not the end of today. I have one more thing to announce. We have indeed presented amazing tech lifestyle products today. However, as we are approaching Diwali, I am presenting our Diwali gifts to every Indian from Realme. I am happy to announce that we are particularly set the first sale date of today's best products in the Diwali period with the huge offers. So here goes the Realme's Diwali's first sale price. The real Diwali first sale price for Realme Smart Camera would be 2,599, available on realme.com, Flipkart and soon in the offline stores nearby you. The real Diwali first sale price for Realme Buds Air Pro would be 4,499, available again on Realme, Flipkart and the stores nearby you. The real Diwali first sale price for Realme Buds Wireless Pro will be Rs 2,999 only and available again on realme.com, Amazon and soon it will be available in the stores nearby you. The first sale and real Diwali prices of all these products will go live on 16th of October from midnight. The real Diwali first sale price for the Realme Smart TV SLED 4K 55-inch will be Rs 3,000 off at Rs 39,999 only. Pre-bookings will start from 16th of October 12 midnight on realme.com, Flipkart and soon in offline stores. Mark your dates as they are the best time to get these products at the best prices. For more details, please refer to Realme official handles and Realme community. Well, that's the end of today. Let me know which are your favorite products on Twitter and what you are expecting Realme to launch in the future. Let's together leap to the next generation and live a smarter, more free and more trend-setting, more connected, cool life. Thanks again for joining us today. Stay safe, stay young and stay connected.